In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pay contractors with direct deposit on Gusto. To get started, sign into your Gusto account and look at the left sidebar. Click People, then select Team Members. This is where you can find everyone connected to your account, including contractors. From the list, click the contractor you want to pay. This opens their profile, where you can manage both job details and how they get paid. Once you are on their profile page, select the Job and Pay tab. Then scroll down until you see the section labeled Payment Method. In the Payment Method area, click Edit. You will see options for how the contractor can be paid. Select Direct Deposit. This is an important step because it tells Gusto to send the payment straight to the contractor's bank account instead of using a check or another method. Now enter the contractor's bank information, including the routing number and the account number. Take your time here and double-check the digits before saving, because even a small typo can delay the payment or send it to the wrong account. When everything looks correct, click Save to lock in the direct deposit details. Next, you will move to the payment workflow. Navigate to Payroll, then choose Pay Contractors. This is the area where you create and submit contractor payments. On the Pay Contractors screen, enter the payment details for your contractor. Depending on how you track their work, you can enter an amount directly, or you can enter hours if that is how they are paid. After you have entered the correct amount or hours, click Save and Continue. On the final review screen, verify the direct deposit date. This date is when the funds are scheduled to be sent, so confirm it matches your intended pay timing. When you are ready, click Submit Payment to send it through. That covers everything you need to know.